that is meant to reach you right now. So I see that you are receiving something big. This is something that you have been working for years. It's like for some of you, I'm getting that it could be that you were preparing for some kind of job, for a government job or any kind of job. That is coming to you now, that is going to manifest for you now. Or for some of you, you have been working and saving to buy a house, a property. It's like something big that you have been preparing for, planning on, that you have been working for over the years. And it is like whatever you're going to receive now, it is all like the manifestation of your hard work. You have worked for it, you have been working for something specific in your life, and now it's the time of fruition for that wish fulfillment. Whatever you have been working on, it's coming to you now. And I'm also seeing that it is big, like it is years of hard work. It could be for some of you, you have been working and planning on it for 5 years, for 7 years, something like that. So you have been working on something, you have been wanting it and working for it. Now it's the time for you to receive it. It's coming to you.